Welcome to the Data Symphony, where you're the conductor with the power of big and diverse data at your fingertips. Many factors affect our health. This composition includes data for just 3 of them: genetic ancestry, gender, and age. An indicator at the bottom shows how large your data set is. The symphony starts with little diversity and a small overall data set. As we move diversity in genetic ancestry, listen for changes in the music. As both the amount and type of people represented grow, do you find a pattern emerging? Let's add even more people. Is there a pattern now? When diversity in genetic ancestry is reduced, the music and visuals simplify, and the data set becomes small again. Now let's look at what adding gender diversity does. Notice the additional pitch range of the music? And what about representing people in different age groups? How do they change the symphony? Now let's look at the Add Inaccuracies button. When dealing with big data, inaccuracies are errors in data collection. Let's go back to the smallest data set size. Notice what happens when the button is pressed. When there is very little data, an error is glaring. Let's add some more data. How about some more? Do you hear any difference now? Listen again at a small amount of data. As more and more data is added, the chances of making an incorrect conclusion due to inaccuracies gets smaller and smaller. The melody of a smaller data set is nice, but it's only when we represent a full range of diversity that we experience the full symphony. Isn't it beautiful? In order to fully understand health, we really need data from all of us.